Hi, Mom. Rob said this was a good idea.
But what did you do? What did you say? Or did you walk or did you run away?